I gotta have some space.
Yeah, so you can run away. Come on. You got it. You got go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on. There we go. There you go.
Give me a bigger cracker. Give me that.
Gary, don't be scary, JR. Just give him a little piece. Pet it well with the other hand.
Yeah, touch his head while you're coming over there.
Do it with one hand and pet it with the other hand. I'm going to make him bite you. Go like this, JR.
Fast.
Touch it real fast. That way we can say you touched it.
That's take what?
With one hand.
I gotta make sure they know I'm a friend. Come here.
Oh, I wish it would peck you, man. That would be an awesome YouTube video.
He doesn't want to let me touch it down. That's fine.
Oh, you went with the cookie?
You got your hand?
No, he went with the whole cookie.
Got my thumb.
I want the whole thing, the whole...
Got my thumb.
You got his thumb.